Hello students, let's see our next page number 22. It has some basic information. Teacher says, do you see any special connection between the numerator and denominators of the fractions 2 by 3 and 6 by 15? Look at here, it has 2 by 3 and it is 6 by 15. Can you see this any connection of these two numbers? Sonu says 3 times 2, it means 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 5, so it is 15. Yes, it is 3 times 2 means 16 and 3 times 5 it means 15. So teacher says we have also seen that 1 by 2 equals to 2 by 4. Is that correct or not? Yes, it is correct. We already learned in previous period. 1 by 2 equals to 3 by 6, it is also correct, and 2 by 3 equals to 4 by 6, it is also correct. We already learned in previous class. In two equivalent fractions, the numerator of the one fraction is as many times as the numerator of the others as the denominator of one is of the denominator of the other. ठीक आहे, ते एकमेकांचे काय इक्वल आहे, इक्विव्हॅलंट आहे. ठीक आहे. When the numerator, this is definition of denominator numerator. When the numerator and denominator of a fraction are multiplied by the same non-zero number, म्हणजे असा नंबर जे की झिरो नसणार त्या नंबरनं जर आपण मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर वी गेट अ फ्रॅक्शन दॅट इज इक्वॅलंट टू द गिवन फ्रॅक्शन. आपल्याला ते फ्रॅक्शनचा इक्वॅलंट फ्रॅक्शन भेटेल. ठीक आहे. नंदू सेज, can I get an equivalent fraction by dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number? Teacher says, of course, if the numerator and denominator have a common divisor, then the fractions obtained on actually dividing them by that divisor is equivalent to the given fraction. The numerator and denominator of the fraction is 6 upon 15 can be divided by 3. Yes, on doing this division we get the fraction 2 by 5. How? If we divide 6 upon 15 by using 3, so we will get 3 2s are 16 and 3 5s are 15. So it is 3 2s are 16 and 3 5s are 15. So it is 2 by 5. Okay. If we divide on doing this division, we get the fraction 2 by 5 like this. It means that 6 upon 15 equals to 2 upon 5. Okay, so 6 upon 15 equals to 2 upon 5 to equivalent. It is equivalent. Okay, both are equal. Okay, so if the numerator and denominator have a common divisor, then the fraction we get, the dividing them by that divisor is equivalent to the given fraction. So हे एकमेकांना काय इक्विव्हॅलंट आहे म्हणजे सारखे आहे. Teacher says, divide the numerator and denominator of 6 upon 12 by the same number to find an equivalent fraction. Let us see. It has Sonu obtained this fraction and Minu obtained this fraction. Okay, both are using different method, but the answer are equal or not. Let's see. Sonu obtained this fraction 6 upon 2. So Sonu divided 6 upon 2 by using 2. Okay, so if we divide 6 upon 12 by using 2, so we will get 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6 and 2 6s are 12. So it is 3 upon 6. It is 3 upon 6. And if we divide this number by using 3, so we will get 3 2s are 6 and 3 4s are 12. 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Look at here. So now 3 upon 6 equal to 2 upon 4. Can we say 3 upon 6 equivalent to 2 upon 4? It is yes. If we divide this number by using 10, we will get the same number. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So it is 1 by 2. It is also 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. It is also 1 by 2. So both are equal. So you can say 3 upon 6 equals to 2 upon 4. Okay. Nandu says 6 and 12 can also divided by 6. It is also same. You can say also 6 upon 12 also same. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So it is 1 upon 2. So it means what? 3 upon 6 equals 2 upon 4 equals to 6 upon 12. Both are equals. Sorry. It means what? Look at here. Nandu says 6 and 12 can be also divided by 6. So we will get 1 by 2. Remember that the fraction we get, the dividing 6 upon 12 by 2 or 3 or 6 are all equivalent. It means 2 and 3 and 6 are equivalent. So it means what? It means 3 upon 6 equals to 2 upon 4 equals to 1 upon 2. Both are equivalent to each other. हे सर्व एकमेकांना काय इक्वॅलंट आहे, सारखे आहे. Okay, hope you understand. Now example, look at the example. Find the fraction with denominator 30 which is equivalent to 5 upon 6. So we must find the right for the box. Fill the empty box. If we multiply by 5 this number, so we will get what? If we multiplied 5 into 5 and 6 into 6, so we will get 5 5s are 25 and 6 6 are what? 6 5s are 30. Okay, if we multiply denominator and numerator by using 5, so we will get 25 and 30. Look at, we must find the right number for the box. Here 5 times the denominator 6 is 30, and what is the 5 times the numerator is? So it is 5 upon 6. It means 5 into 5, 6 into 5, 5 5s are 25 and 6 5s are 30. Hence the fraction 25 upon 30 with denominator 30 is equivalent to 5 upon 6. So it means this is equivalent to 5 upon 6, or you can say 30 is equivalent to 5 upon 6. Okay. Now look at here example second. Example taken second. Find the fraction equivalent to 15 upon 40 but with denominator is 8. Look at here, denominator is 8. So if we take denominator 8 is, so it means what? 5 8s are 40 and it is 5 3s are 15. So the if we apply the empty box मध्ये किती येणार? इथे येणार 3. Okay, we must find the number for the box. 40 divided by 5 is 8. If we divide 40 by 5, so we will get 8. So we will get the number for the box by dividing 15 by 5. So it means 15 by 5, it means 3. So our answer is 15 upon 40 equals to 3 upon 8. Thus the fraction 3 upon is equivalent to the fraction of 15 upon 40. This is equivalent to 8. Look at here. Okay, if we multiply 3 into 5 and 8 into 5, so we will get 3 5s are 15 and 8 5s are 40. Okay, so it means 3 upon 8 is equivalent to the fraction 15 upon 40. Hope you understand how to solve the fraction. Now we will stop here. Thank you.